Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have brushes, acrylics, palette, and a small cup of water. Now begin. Lightly mark the eye shape with a thin wash and a size 2 round brush so proportions are right. Then block in the eyelid base using a diluted mix, 1/2 water to paint, so the surface stays buildable. Once the base is slightly tacky, add a slightly darker tone along the crease to suggest depth. Make sure to keep strokes small, move from light to dark, and wipe the brush between tones. Once the base is established, build form with thin glazes to avoid muddiness. Use 10 to 30% opacity so each pass reads. Lay a darker shadow under the brow and in the socket. Blend outward with a dry brush so edges soften. For the iris, paint a darker outer ring, then pull thin radial strokes toward the pupil to imply texture. Make lashes with quick curved gestures, varying pressure to get thicker roots and tapered tips. Make sure to step back and check values often. To finish, deepen the pupil to true black and add a crisp catchlight. One small dot will bring the eye alive. Then apply a final thin glaze of a warm or cool tone to harmonize the eyelid and surrounding skin. Make sure each layer is dry before glazing. If lashes or shadows look too heavy, lift softly with a damp, clean brush or scrape gently with the tip of a flat brush and repaint lighter strokes. If the mix goes muddy, let it dry and glaze to correct tone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.